Hi, this is Mr. Hubbard, and this is going to be my second of 3 videos on this editor project. This one's going to be rather short, but I want to keep the topics together in the different videos so you're not all messed up by this. What I want to talk about right now is, in this particular video, is this whole implements bit here. And I showed you before that this editor has this particular interface, public interface ed. And the idea behind this is that we're going to use this interface as our guide to making these other editors over here. All of these editors, these 2 editors, have to implement this interface. I'm going to make a quick example. Let me make a new class over here. New class, editor 3. Okay. And right now there's no arrows, so how do I get this to go? Well, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to say implements ed. Now, as soon as I do this, I'm going to try and compile this, and we're going to start getting errors. And what it's going to tell us is the error is, I click on errors, I didn't do end key. Well, that isn't the only one. This is the first one that it found and it stopped. But what we really didn't do is we didn't do any of these. So what we would have to do is do all of these methods before we could even try and compile it. And I'm not going to do that, but you can imagine that a quick way to just make sure you get all the names is to copy all this stuff, paste it into your new class. So if I did this, I pasted it all here. Oh, that's not it. Didn't copy it over here, did I? Copy. Over here, paste. Okay, and then just type in the code that we need to do to get this stuff working. Okay, at the very minimum, some kind of open and close brace, and then public statement. Right now, it's still going to be telling me that I'm not returning anything, so I'm not going to try and create a whole new class right here. But that's basically what you would have to do to get this thing to work. And then once you got it to compile, you could then fill out all the extra methods in there. The whole point is this thing is actually going to be demanding that we implement every single one of those methods. And once we implement them, anything that understands this ed interface will be able to work with that new editor that we make. So that's just a quick bit on the interface. It is a great way to make code that will work and play with other pieces of code without actually having to expose everything that we do for everybody else to be able to look at and laugh at and change and that kind of stuff. It is a great way of work. You work in your team making your stuff, another group works in their team making their stuff, and then you put it all together and it all works. That's the coolest thing about this. Okay, I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you some hints on how to do editor 1 and editor 2 and how they're different, and then we'll and that'll wrap up and what I think are going to be our 3 videos. Okay, have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.